Today we're taking a closer look at the Bridgestone Turanza 6, a premium touring tire engineered to deliver exceptional comfort, confident handling, and outstanding wet performance. This tire features a sophisticated asymmetric tread pattern with optimized grooves and finely tuned sipes that work together to provide strong traction in both dry and wet conditions. The advanced design helps evacuate water quickly from the contact patch, reducing the risk of hydroplaning, while the solid center rib enhances steering precision and stability at highway speeds. Under the surface, the Turanza 6 uses a next-generation touring rubber compound developed to balance grip, durability, and comfort. This innovative compound remains flexible across a wide range of temperatures, helping the tire maintain traction whether you're cruising through town or heading out on a long road trip. Drivers often notice how this blend contributes to even wear and a smooth, refined ride with reduced road noise, making every journey more enjoyable. Real-world feedback from owners highlights the tire's excellent wet weather performance and calming ride quality. Many drivers praise the Turanza 6 for its confident braking in rain, stable handling, and quiet, comfortable feel behind the wheel. Users also report that the tire feels planted and responsive, giving them confidence in a variety of driving conditions, from daily commuting to extended highway travel. Here's a helpful insight many drivers appreciate. The Turanza 6 is designed with an enhanced focus on comfort and road vibration reduction, which means it not only performs well but also helps reduce fatigue on long drives. That emphasis on refined ride quality makes this tire a great choice for anyone who values a premium touring experience. In summary, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 delivers confident traction in dry and wet conditions, impressive comfort, reduced road noise, and long-lasting performance you can count on. It's a well-rounded touring tire that meets the needs of drivers who want comfort without sacrificing capability. If you've used these tires yourself, drop a comment below and tell us what you think of the Turanza 6.